their nutrients from their surroundings. They can be either saprophytic or perhaps even parasitic. Saprophytic fungi feed on dead material, while parasitic fungi will feed on living material, like, for example, the athlete's foot fungus that feeds on live tissue. Now, most of our fungi are multicellular, but some, like the yeast, are actually unicellular. All fungi are going to contain cell walls, and the cell walls will be made of the polysaccharide chitin. Now, the majority of our fungi are actually microscopic, and they will include like our molds and our yeast. Fungi, because of their shared DNA with animals and its relatives, are going to form the opisthocont clade. Looking at that same DNA, though, we find that fungi and animals are actually more closely related to each other than they are to plants or other eukaryotes. The body of fungi are made up of filaments called hyphae. The hyphae are divided into a mat of individual interwoven cells called mycelium. The mycelium is going to maximize the surface area to volume ratios, making feeding very efficient. In fact, 1 cubic centimeter of soil may have as much as 1 kilometer of mycelium in it. The hyphae of most fungi have additional cell walls called cross walls that divide the long filaments into many end-to-end cells. The cross walls of these fungi will have septa, which will allow for cytoplasm and other cell parts to move between the cells and to help the fungus to distribute nutrients from one part of the body to another. Syncytial fungi actually lack septa and have a continuous cytoplasmic mass with hundreds or perhaps even thousands of nuclei. The reason for this is because of a repeated cell division of the nucleus as a result of mitosis without cytokinesis. Remember, cytokinesis allows for the separation of the cytoplasm, so we have, unique individual cells. So despite the mitosis, we're not having the cytokinesis here, and so it's just a whole bunch of nuclei sharing the same cytoplasm. Now, some unique fungi have specialized hyphae called haustoria, which allow them to penetrate the tissues of their host, or maybe even exchange nutrients with their plant hosts. For example, the mycorrhizae fungi can improve the delivery of phosphate ions and other minerals to a plant because the mycorrhizae and the mycelium they have allows them to absorb so much more phosphorus from their environment, and then that way they're able to then provide that and share that with their plant host using their haustoria. Now, in terms of reproduction, most fungi will have both a sexual and asexual stage within their life, and they'll reproduce through various types of spores. Yeast, on the other hand, because of being unicellular, they'll reproduce through a form of mitosis which we call budding. Sexual reproduction in fungi is quite unique. Most fungi